Welcome back to the Renault Master camper van conversion. We're getting pretty close to finishing the inside off now. In this video, I'll be fitting the blackout curtains to the van. I really hate stuff that looks too caravan-y. So instead of using camper van curtains, I opted for standard curtains. I use grey thermal blackout curtains, which will help keep the van dark and cool in the summer. The curtains I used were pencil pleat, which are the ones without the built-in rings, which usually you would add curtain hooks to. But because the shape of the roof on the van, I opted against fitting a curtain rail, which was my original plan, and I screwed the curtains into the plywood ceiling instead. I knew that a curtain rail would probably either fail or let too much light through, rendering the blackout system useless. I made a small hole in the top of the curtains using a screw to stop them from fraying, and then I screwed them in and fixed them in place that way. Pretty straightforward, but another job that it helps to have someone to give you a helping hand. With the back curtains all fitted, we moved on to the front cab curtain, which was fixed in place in the exact same way. And this also acts as a curtain for the bulkhead storage. Once they were fitted, I added some Velcro tie backs to allow the curtains to be held open when required. There we go, there's the back curtains all tied back. And then we've got front curtains. We've also got the side curtain blind, but I'm going to be making that in another video, so I won't show you that too much. Let me just show you how these work. We've just got a Velcro strap that undoes. One on one side, one on the other. Then they just fold out like a standard curtain. Then when you want to open them, you just tie them back again onto the Velcro and tie them back. Dead easy. They're blackout and thermal, so it means they keep the light out, so you're not going to get woken by the sun. And the thermal means they're going to keep some of the heat out, keep the van a little bit cooler, so they're perfect for the camper van. And they look a bit better than the standard camper van curtains or stick-on window cover things that, let's be honest, they look terrible. Same with the back, they're just on Velcro tabs. I can't quite reach across the bed at the minute though, so they just undo when you're in bed, and then they can just get tied back again. And it blocks out the back window. In the next van video, I'll be making the roll down curtain blind that you briefly saw, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that one. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.